Use the indirect function when you want to change the reference to a cell and a formula if you want to change the formula itself. So the indirect function, by itself, doesn't have a lot of function. It is very useful when we are using it with another function along with the indirect.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
So, in this example, here we have a table with the employee, the number of events in the month of October, and the number of events in the month of November. The first thing I'm going to do is to name this table. So I'm going to select the October values here and put October to show that it is October. And here the same thing for November. I'm going to put November. Okay, right? Here I'm going to type October and that's it. Now I'm going to do the indirect function along with the maximum and minimum function to show it. So I'm going to come here and put maximum. Now I'm going to open the indirect function, and what is the reference? This one. So it will confirm if I accept the correction. I do. What did it show? It showed what is the maximum value of the month of this column of data. It showed that it is 55, and it is 55. Now note that here I will change to 85, for example, and it will show. Right? And the same thing if I come here in November. It showed that the highest value is 57. Very right. Also, if I change to 63, for example, it already showed. Now let's do it for the ones below. So, minimum. Open the indirect function and select here. Accept the correction and that's it. It showed that the lowest value is 46, which is right. And here, put 45. Here, it will show 45, exactly. Now I want to do the average of these values. So, I'm going to pull here the average. Open the indirect function. Indirect. And I select this one. Accept the correction. It showed that the average of these values in October is 54. And here too, if I change to 95, it's right. Now I'm going to do the sum of these values. Indirect. And select here. Accept the correction. 520. And here, October. 540. Now I'm going to do the sum of this interval. 540. Now I'm going to pull here to the side and change here to this one. 520. Let's change here. 520. It's right. So, the indirect function demonstrated with the functions together of maximum, minimum, average, and sum.